Prior to laying out the field sheet, broom the substrate thoroughly to remove any dust or debris. Always make sure your substrate is clean, dry, and properly secured. Once you have determined the direction of the sheets, roll each sheet out and position in place. Make sure all seams are installed shingle fashion or run with the flow of water. Backwater seams are not permitted. Allow the sheets to relax for 15 to 30 minutes. Overlap each sheet approximately 3 inches to allow for seaming. Only lay out as much sheet as you can install, seam, and seal that same day. The adhesive to be used to adhere the membrane is a contact adhesive, which means a uniform coat of adhesive must be applied to both the substrate and the back of the membrane. Fold the sheet back 50% onto itself. Open the adhesive and stir thoroughly for several minutes. Using a medium napped roller, apply a uniform coat to both the substrate and back of the field sheet. Allow the adhesive to dry, but is still tacky to the touch. If the adhesive has been allowed too much drying time and is no longer tacky, apply a thin second coat to the dry material. Gently fold the field sheet into the adhesive and let the membrane lay flat. Use a stiff push broom and broom the sheet to ensure good contact with the two surfaces. Always push the broom to the edges of the sheet to ensure removal of any air pockets. Repeat the procedure for the remaining half of the sheet. Continue this procedure for the rest of the roof. Do not apply adhesive along the edge of the sheet that will be overlapped onto the next sheet. This area must stay free of adhesive for hot air welding of the seams. Perimeter half sheets are not required for fully adhered systems. Once several sheets have been installed, seam welding may be completed. Always contact Mule-Hide to get recommendations for each individual project for acceptable insulations and cover boards, uplift and fire rated assemblies, attachment methods and fastening patterns,